When a developer pushes the code, the merge request sits waiting for a human review. Security, documentation, standards. Three separate people, 2 to 3 days gone. Flux Sentinel eliminates this entirely. I have written an authentication controller with 6 security vulnerabilities planted inside. Hard coded AWS keys, SQL injection, XSS, weak JWT secret. I am opening this as a merge request right now. Now just watch the terminal. As you can see, webhook received agent 1 context engine reading the security policy and building context. Then agent 2, the security auditor, 3 layers running in parallel, reject scan, Claude AI deep analysis, Gemini AI independent audit, two AI models running completely independently, and when both agrees on the same thing, agreement 100%. Claude and Gemini found the same vulnerabilities without seeing each other's work. So risk score out to 100 out of 100. Recommendation block, action agent executing, posting findings to the merge request, zero errors, fully autonomous. And also Flux Sentinel posted the full analysis automatically. Every agent results 6 agents all complete. For every critical vulnerability, the exact fix is already written. AWS key replaced with environment variable, SQL injection converted into the parameterized query, XSS fixed. The developer sees problem and solution side by side. MR labeled Flux blocked, zero human reviewer. After that, the team lead received this executive brief automatically. And as you can see, risk score 100, 11 findings, 1 click to review on GitLab. Real-time metrics on every MR analyzed. Green Sentinel tracked 60 grams of CO2 avoided from prevented pipeline failures. By the way, the details here, the show which are shown here, is result of other demo test also. So this is not for this MR only. From code push to fully analyzed, labeled, documented merge request with fixed suggestion and executive email. Completely autonomous, no human reviewer required, no bottleneck, no waiting. So this is one webhook, two AI models, six autonomous agents, zero bottleneck. So this is Flux Sentinel AI, GitLab AI Hackathon 2026, built by Kanak Raj, K&D Labs.